Hey, what's up guys, my name is David from Litex, and today I'll show you how to disable the sensitive notifications from the Snapchat, the time sensitive notification. Well, I'm using an iPhone 11 for this tutorial, but doesn't matter what iPhone you have, you can do the same on all of them. So here I have the Snapchat installed, but we are not going to use that. However, you can access the Snapchat notifications from inside that if you want. Just click on your profile, then settings, and down below you should have notifications, and I have to continue, yes, and I didn't enable that, but from here you can disable and personalize Snapchat notifications. But to reach time sensitive notification, to turn them on or off, you will have to reach the settings of your iPhone. So let's go inside that, and right now we have to scroll all the way down, because at the bottom on an iPhone you should reach your apps that are installed, and as you see I already reached them. Now let me see where Snapchat is. Okay, I found it. Tap on it once, and after that you'll be able to see, come on, focus please, you'll be able to see notifications. I will tap on that once. You can locate time sensitive notification right here. As you see, mine is enabled, and if I press once, now it's disabled. If you want to enable or disable, here is the setting where you can find it. So as I told you, just scroll all the way down until you see Snapchat, then tap on notifications, then from here you can disable the time sensitive notifications. Now I don't want to keep you any longer than that. Please hit the thumbs up like button if I help you with this tutorial, and of course leave a question right in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Please have a great day.